Odoo Inventory Module. What we cover in this video: product creation, stock inward process. Part 1, steps. Product creation. Go to Inventory, Products, Product, New. In Product Name field, enter the product name. Enable can be sold if it's a saleable item, and enable can be purchased if it's a purchasable item. Upload image. Click the pencil icon, select the picture, and then click OK. General Information tab. Product type. Select the product type in drop-down menu. Invoicing policy. Select ordered quantities, delivered quantities. Unit of measure. Select the product units. Sales price. Enter the price of the product. Customer taxes. Select the tax in drop-down menu. Cost. Enter the cost of the product. Product category. Select or create the category. Internal reference. Give unique code for internal tracking. Optional. Product template tags. Create or choose product tag for grouping purpose. Company. Choose if using multiple company. Internal notes. This note only for internal purpose. Attribute and variance tab. Click Add a line. Select or create the attributes like color, size, etc. In Values column, enter the values of attribute: gray, green, dark blue. Save and click Configure. Click Values. Enter any extra price for values in Values Price Extra field. Click Save and go back to the product. Sales tab. Optional products. Extra products suggested when selling this product. Product description in sales order. This note will appear in sales order, invoice, quotation under product line. Purchase tab. Click Add a line. Vendor. Select or create vendor. Add multiple vendors for same products. Quantity. Enter the quantity to order. Price. Purchase price offered by this vendor. Delivery. Lead time. Days vendor takes to deliver after PO confirmation. Vendor taxes. Tax applicable during purchase. Control policy. Invoice control, based on ordered quantities, received quantities. Purchase description. Any note to display in purchase order line. Inventory tab. Routes. Defines how the product will be procured or moved. By manufacturer. Responsible. Employee responsible for stock management of this product. Weight. Weight of the product, used in shipping calculations. Volume. Space occupied by product in cubic meters. Customer lead. Time. Days needed to deliver product to customer after order. Tracking. Choose tracking method. No tracking, by lot, by serial number. Accounting tab. Income account. Select account where sales revenue of this product is recorded. Expense account. Select account where purchase cost of this product is recorded. Price. Different account. Account for handling difference between standard cost and real purchase price. Stock inward process. Purchase receipts. Create a purchase order, PO. Already discussed in previous videos. Select products. Confirm the order. Navigate to Inventory ? Receipts. Select the corresponding PO. Enter lot. Serial numbers for each product, if applicable. Click Validate to complete the receipt process. Navigate to Inventory Products, click On Hand. Quantity of the respective product. The product stock will move automatically from vendor location to stock. As a result, the stock quantity increases in your warehouse.